हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू उड़ान एजुकेशन। सपनों को सच करें। टुडे वी विल डू a numerical problem based on a Fourier series. So let's look the problem. In this problem we have to find the Fourier series for this periodic waveform. So we already know that in this periodic waveform, if we have to find, then the time period will be capital T. Why we are saying that? Look here, from 0 to t by 2 the amplitude will be V, and from t by 2 to t the amplitude will be 0. Again the signal is going to repeat itself, means after t. So we can say that the time period will be capital T, and we have to find the Fourier series here. So first of all we have to find the function which is Vt. So we can say that Vt is equal to V when the time period will be from 0 to capital T by 2, means in between from 0 to capital T by 2 the amplitude will be V, but when the time period will be from capital T by 2 to T the amplitude will be 0. So this is our function which is Vt. Right now we have to find the coefficient value a0, an and bn, and after that we have to find the Fourier series. So first of all we have to find the coefficient a0. So we already know that the equation to find the a0 is 1 divided by time period integration 0 to time period Vt dt. So Vt is the function which is this one which we just derived. So we have to rearrange this function in this equation. So we can say that it's 1 by t, and as the integration starting lower limit will be 0 and the upper limit will be t. So if we can say that this is our lower limit, this is our upper limit, so what we have to do, we have to expand this integration, means from 0 to t by 2 and then from t by 2 to t, because our function which we have divided are based on 0 to t by 2 and from t by 2 to t. So we just expand this integration from 0 to t by 2, and at that time our function will be V, so we write V dt, and from t by 2 to t our function will be 0, so we write 0 here. We already know that 0 into anything will be 0, so we don't integrate this term will be nullified. So finally we have to find the integration of this term only. So it 1 by time period V is the constant term, and if we integrate dt, so we get t for that one, and if we put the limit value, that is lower limit and upper limit, so t by 2 minus 0 we are getting, and after solving this one we got a0 as V by 2, and that is our value, that is a0 is equal to V by 2. Next we have to find an coefficient. So to find an coefficient, first of all we have to write the equation, and we already know an coefficient is 1 divided by half of the time period, it will be t by 2, that's why we have written 2 by t, and again integration, the lower limit will be 0, upper limit will be t, Vt cos n omega t, and again we have to expand this integration from 0 to t by 2 and from t by 2 to t. So we just do that part, and from t by 2 to t we already know that the amplitude value is 0, so 0 into anything will give 0, so we don't have to integrate this term, we just have to integrate this one leaf, means from 0 to t by 2. So 0 to 2 by 2 V cos n omega t dt. V is the constant term we are taking outside, we have to integrate cos n omega t dt. So whenever we integrate cos n omega t, at that time we are getting a negative sign. So negative sine n omega t divided by n omega, and if we put the limit value from 0 to t by 2, here omega signify 2 pi by t. So if we just write that one, then we can say that sine n 2 pi we are getting, and we already know that the sine multiple of pi will be 0. So we can say that our an coefficient value will be 0. So that is our value, that is an is equal to 0. Next we have to find bn. So for bn, what first of all we have to write the equation, and it will be 1 divided by half of the time period, means 1 by t by 2. So this 2 will going in numerator part and it will become 2 by t. 0 to t vt sine omega t and dt. We have to integrate this function. Again we have to expand this one from 0 to t by 2 and from t by 2 to t. So if we'll do t by 2 to t, that function will give zeros. It means we have to just solve our integration from 0 to t by 2. So whenever we are going to integrate this function, so at that time means integration sine n omega t will give minus, this v is the constant term, so minus 2v by t, and here we are getting cos n omega t divided by n omega. Right now if I put omega value equal to 2 by t, so what we are getting here, this t cancel, 2 cancel, and here we are getting cos n pi for upper limit, that when we are putting t by 2, and for lower limit we are getting cos 0. So as this is the negative sign, so we just multiply it, so this term will be negative and this term will be positive, so we are getting cos 0 minus this term. So cos 0 value is 1 and 1 minus cos n pi we are getting. So we already know that our value will be v divided by n pi, 1 minus cos n pi. Right now this term means whenever n value will be even, then that time we are getting a positive value. So 1 minus 1 will going to be, means if we subtract 1 minus 1, then that time we are getting 0. That's why for n equal to even, our bn value will be 0. But when we take n value as odd, then that time we are getting minus 1. So minus 1 and minus will become 1, minus and minus will become plus, so that will give 2. So our answer will be 2v divided by n pi, that is the bn term for n equal to odd value. So we have to write our coefficient value in the Fourier series expansion, in the Fourier series equation, sorry. So we can say that our Fourier series of the square wave which is given in the question is that vt is equal to a naught, and a naught value we have find, that is v by 2, plus an term is 0, so we don't write have to an term. After that we have to write only bn. So bn for a odd value we have write. So we already know that when we take n equal to odd value, then that time it will become, means if we take n equal to 1, then that will time it will become 2v by n pi. So we have write 2v divided by n pi, and n value we are taking 1, so 2v by pi, and after that sine omega t we are getting, because in Fourier series equation there is bn sine omega t. Similarly, if n value is odd we are taking, means after 1 we are taking 3, so that time we are getting 2b by 3 pi sine 3 omega t, and after that n equal to 5 we have to take, then that time it will become 2v by 5 pi sine 5 omega t, and this way the series will go on. So that is the final Fourier series solution of that given waveform. So that's all from the today's topic. Thank you.